Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wig try on install review for you guys for a company called Mayvenn Hair. I'll have their name right here for you guys if you're not familiar with them. Okay, and I'll also have their link down below in the description box so you guys can check them out and see what they have available. I know it's been a long time since I've been on here, and I have a very good reason this time. I'm like Miss full of excuses, but this is a really good excuse. Okay, you guys will like it. If you saw my previous video or the video after this, you'll find out exactly why I've been MIA. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I got the opportunity to work with Mayvenn Hair and try out their 360 loose wave unit. So 360, basically this is a lace wig with tracks in the crown, but the lace goes all the way around the perimeter of your head. So you can wear this wig up in a ponytail, in a bun, whatever it is that you wish, so long as you install it all the way around. So glue it down all the way around. Okay, I do suggest having your hair braided. Mine's is not, so it did take a little bit of time to get this on, but it's on. I hope I'm doing it some justice. I hope it looks cute. I think it looks pretty good. And again, this is their loose wave in the length 24 inches. So thank you guys over there at Mayvenn Hair for working with me and sending me this beautiful unit. Although the loose wave texture is natural to the unit, I did go in with a 1.5 inch curling wand to kind of define them a bit more, because when you get the wig, it comes in a satin like slip kind of pouch thing. Okay, so you can keep your wig in there to keep it nice and fresh, but the way it came, it was like curled up in a style, so you had to kind of take it apart and let the wig just breathe for a little bit. So I'll show you guys exactly what it is I did when I took it out the package, from package to wig head to on my head. Alright, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. Okay, and we'll chit chat while I do this, so don't worry, it's not gonna be like super boring. Okay, I promise. Alright, if you like this makeup look, there is a tutorial. I probably posted it already, or it's after this video. We'll see, because these days my hormones make me do crazy things. Hormones. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I've said that like, what is this, 3-4th time already? Hormones, I'm telling you. Anywho, enjoy the video. Alright you guys, so this is the inside of the wig. There are 2 combs and lace along the entire perimeter of this unit. Alright, I'm gonna kind of fold it in or out so you guys could see the inside and the back. And that is the Mayvenn Hair logo. And I decided to put the unit on my wig head and let it just kind of breathe a bit. I wet it a tiny bit, and I also brushed it out and put some mousse in it, because you know, when it's wrapped up in that style and in the silk or satin bag, it sometimes can get a little messed up. Okay, so to put on the wig, my hair is just into simple braids or plaits or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just using a black fishnet wig cap to put this wig on, instead of like the regular stocking cap, because it's easier for the wig combs to go through the fishnet holes. Okay, so I cut the lace off, and this is how the unit looks, and I'm just gonna pop her on. You definitely want to secure the combs in your head, but I do suggest, if you put on a wig like this, have your hair braided. It's gonna be more secure on your head. Okay, but just for the video, I just did the 2 plaits. So right away, I feel like the wig looks very natural on its own without doing much to the part and the hairline, because it has a very natural pre-plucked hairline, as you guys could see. The unit itself has a really nice thickness, so we're just going to go ahead, comb it out just a bit, or you can use a brush. This comb, it's like a teasing comb. I got it years ago, and it's one of my favorite type of combs to use on wigs and my own hair when I'm kind of styling them. Okay, so I'm just going to comb through it, and then the back, I'm going to show you guys where you would have to glue down the back of the unit so that you can have like the complete 360 look. because of my hairline in the back, it's kind of hard for me to do this on my own. But you would bring this down and glue it right here, and it will attach, and then you'll be able to wear your unit up in like a ponytail or a bun. So I'm using my Got To Be Free spray to attach this unit in sections, and using my blow dryer on the cool setting to dry this. Okay, don't use the hot setting, it's going to take forever, and then what's going to happen is it's going to detach itself. So just use the cool setting, cool air. It dries very, very fast on the cool setting. The hot setting just takes forever and it detaches. So I'm going to separate the hair with the hairline and spray between it, like where the part is, spray a good amount, and then blow dry. Use my blow dryer on the cool setting to attach it. It's been a while since I've done a hair video for you guys, so don't mind me. All right, I'm trying to just get my mind off of what's currently going on in the world, in this country. All right, so yeah, let me just focus on this. All right, so like I said, in sections, it's just easier to do this in sections instead of spraying your whole hairline, which can be kind of tricky. So just attach the middle and then work your way down to each ear tap. Make sure you kind of pull the unit down, like pull gently, not rough, so you don't rip it or anything, because lace, it's delicate. You don't want to rip it, okay? I feel like you'll be able to get your wigs on or install them with the Got To Be Free spray much faster this way. And again, the Got To Be Free spray is not for hot weather. It will come off, okay? So if you want to get something that's more secure, I suggest getting a wig glue that's made specifically for lace, okay? Try not to hold the hair against your forehead because it'll stick and then you're going to have to like brush it up. You'll see in a minute how that works or how it turns out when you hold it against your face. You see that part right there? Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my gosh. And the hair itself feels super soft, very nice. It's silky, but not to the point where it looks unnatural. So once you have your unit attached, it should look like this. And then if you do have some hair stuck on your forehead, you're going to have to back comb it. I took a bit of mousse to kind of get my hair off my forehead. It wets it a little bit, makes it easier for me to take it off my forehead if it's stuck on there, and then just comb it back. Using a smoothing brush helps with this too, to get all the little tiny hairs off your forehead if it, accidentally glued down when you were attaching the unit. So it should look like this, nice and attached. All right, then I'm gonna go in with a makeup wipe, not alcohol. The idea of alcohol on my hairline just, I don't know. I just don't like the combination, and I love my hairline, so I'm not putting alcohol on my hairline. I just use a makeup wipe to take off any residue from the Got To Be spray. We're going to go in with my Fit Me powder in the shade Cocoa and a small shader brush, and you're just going to tap this into the part. If the part is too tight or if the hair is too dense, I suggest plucking it a bit, but this one's not too dense, so I just can go in there and tap in some powder. I don't like the line to be too straight or too blunt looking. I like it to be a bit blurred out so it looks more natural on my head. But if you like the line to be super bone straight, go right ahead and use maybe a straight liner brush to do it like that. I'm also going to use a bit of the powder to tap it on the edge of the lace to blend it in with my skin. And if you can see the edge of your lace, like you can kind of see that white line, you can use a little bit of black eyeshadow to kind of blend it in with the hair. So now I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron. This one is the 1.5-inch curling wand attachment. It gets hot, you guys, like hot, hot, hot. Like I was kind of scared. It does not take long for these curls to develop and for it to have a nice shine. And I also use the curling wand to flatten my part and smooth it up. Okay, so I really like this curling iron, or this wand curling wand. Oh my gosh, what is going on? This curling wand, this curling iron, this wand curl, this, oh my God, this curling wand. Is that what it's called again? I can't remember. I haven't done this in so long. I'm getting rusty. But yeah, I'm just gonna back curl these curls using the 1.5-inch curling wand curler attachment. Okay, and as you can see, it's smoothing out the hair really, really nicely. And that's just not the wand itself, it's the hair that just can handle the heat, and it gets so soft and so pretty. So I'm really happy I got the opportunity to work with them and try this unit out for myself. One of my followers actually came into my DMs and said she loved hers and couldn't wait for me to try mine on. So yeah, not disappointed. Really love the texture of the hair. I love the feel of it. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like some good quality hair that's going to last you a long time. Okay. And remember, when you're washing your units, you want to use a wide tooth comb, let them air dry naturally, and make sure you condition them. Take care of these units. They're human hair. Take care of it like you would your own hair, okay? I wanted my part to be just a tad bit more flatter, so I was using the comb to kind of pull the hair down and flatten it just a tiny bit more. So here's some mousse. Put that together. You can also use the Got2b spray to keep this nice and neat on the top. I've seen some people use wax and even edge control on the part. So it's up to you, but try not to put too much oily products in the hair, okay? This is how the back of the unit looks. And if you would attach it down, it has little hairs like baby hairs that would blend in and make it look super natural. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. The information to Mayvenn Hair is down below in the description box. If I get a coupon code, that will be there as well. Any discounts, all of that information will be there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is a tutorial for this look. Love you guys. Bye.